Oh, where you watch? Look where you watch. Know where you watch. Choose the right thing to watch. And this enough to watch. Sticky Stucky Sweet TV with Keith Gorgan, Facebook and YouTube. And that enough to watch. The movie star fly take off from Palpatine TV said that. Boom!
A big sound, a play a big tune.
Jah holy Emmanuel I, boy. Jah Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon. Well, Gideon go busting out them head again. So much oppression poor people face right now. Them crying out for freedom. Them crying out for free speech. Then said them want to stand up like them black liberators, like Malcolm X and Martin Luther and the ancient monarchy where come pave the way, sir. Free up black people from me tear down them fence, yeah. Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon, well, the Gideon go busting out them head. I listen, I the power of the Trinity. Give us the teaching of His Majesty, and we know war, not every...
Blow, Mr. Gorgan, blow. Blow till me dance up me toe.
Yes, up and running, up and gunning. That is it. Or in other word, this is it. Yeah, man. Look at it. Red rice, mixed vegetable with some nice fried plantain in coconut oil. Yeah, man. Look at that. So we have carrot, we have celery, we have beetroot, we have chocha, we have a lot of chopped turmeric and ginger, chopped thyme, onion, scallion, pepper, yo, and the rich coconut milk. Cook down the red rice along with a lot of cinnamon water and pimento seed. Look at that. Look at that, look at that. Yeah, man, real good, sticky, stucky, sweet, good, healthy food cooking. Yeah, man. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Take a good look. So we have all these mixed vegetables with everything in it, as we call out the names them already. And then we have the sweet pepper, the tomato, the rate, the lele. Can't go wrong. We have a good old avocado over there. Taste dry, look dry. Yeah, man, real thing, real thing. Look at that, look at that. Up and running, up and gunning. This needs some stars. This needs some sharing. Yeah, man. And you can't stay there. No meat. That's number one. No meat. Because we're going to eat this now. This is the plantain. You eat the plantain with the vegetable. Yo, real thing. I know I'm going to put a little bit of CMOS gel on it, but I don't even bother, Too much things, man, if you really put this in a presentation. But yeah, they show up the good things, Can't go wrong. Remember, coconut oil, real coconut oil cooking as well. Nothing falls around here. Look at that. And yet people are go out, they go eat shitty crab. The woman wipe them bottom and wash them on. Look at that. Stop eat outside and cook on the food. Have some dignity for yourself. I want to love on yourself. When I get blood clot poison, food poison, cancer, food and diarrhea, all them ras, and Camila. When they call that thing there? Because remember, people are shitting on now blood clot and I want to wash them on. And go and hold the food and that, go up your food and you eat that. Somebody else's feces. Yeah, man. Grow up, yeah, man. Grow up. Anyway, people, that is that. Out.